Hello, in this video let us learn about rank of a matrix by using normal form. So how we can find the rank by reducing the given matrix to the normal form. First let me define the normal form of a matrix. Every non-zero matrix can be reduced to normal form by applying a finite number of operations on rows and columns. That means by applying the elementary operations of rows and columns, we can reduce a matrix into a normal form. Elements are unity and other elements are zero. So it is a diagonal matrix. We are reducing a given matrix into a normal matrix, means it is a diagonal matrix. See example I have given you here. Any one of these form we have to reduce the given matrix. So IR 0 0 0 and IR 0, where IR is the unit matrix of order R and 0 is the zero element of the. We have to reduce the given matrix into a diagonal matrix in either any one of the above forms, either IR 0 0, IR 0, IR. So like this, where R is a unit matrix of order R. Now let me take up some examples for IR0, IR00. So what are these things? See, these are nothing but, see, I3 means it is a unit matrix of 3 by 3 order. So it is 1, 1, 1, only diagonal elements are there, and upper part of the diagonal and lower part of the diagonal are zeros. Then another second example, I2 0 0. See, I2 means it is a unit matrix of 2 by 2 order. So only in this part the diagonal elements are present, 1 1 1, 0 0, like this. And this another example is I2 0. I2 0 is nothing but, again here also I2 is 1 1 0 0. This is the matrix 1 0 0 1, and below 1 0 is there. So this 0 is nothing but 0 0. Okay, so these are the few examples of IR 0 0, IR 0, and similarly we can have different patterns also. So now let me explain the working rule to transform the given matrix into normal form. How we can reduce the matrix into normal form? First we must concentrate on the leading element of the first row. It should be non-zero. See, we have to interchange rows or columns just to bring the non-zero element to the first place, that is A11 place we say, and make this non-zero element, that is A11, as unity. Suppose if you have 2, 3, some other number, then reduce it to unity 1. So this is the second rule to find the normal form. Then make all the entries of the first row to be 0 by adding suitable multiples of the first column to each other column. See, by adding the multiples of first column to other columns, each other columns, we can make the entries in the first row 0 0. Except the first element, all other elements in the row must be 0. Similarly, make all the entries of the first column except the first element, that is A11, to be 0 by adding suitable multiples of the first row to each other row. This is quite common. See, first we are having the operations with the column, and we make the first row element 0 other than the first element, and similarly the column first column we consider, and by adding and or subtracting. So depending on the situation, so we add the suitable multiples of the first row to each other and make all other elements in the first column 0 other than column operations in succession to get the normal form. Okay, see, continue the above process of row and column operations in succession to get normal form, means continuously until we get the normal form, until we get the diagonal matrix. So we continue with this. So this is the procedure. 0, and make this non-zero element, that is A11, as the unity. Make it 1. So make all the entries of the first row to be 0 by adding suitable multiples of the first column to each other column. And similarly, make all first column elements 0 except the first element by adding suitable multiples of the first row to each other row. Continue the above process of row and column operations in succession to get the normal form. We'll take up a model sum now. Find the rank of the matrix A by reducing to the normal form, where A is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, minus 3, minus 6, 3, minus 6, 1, 2. So, I have considered this matrix as it is. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 first column, 1, 1, minus 6, 1, minus 3, 1, 2, minus 6, 2. So, this is the given matrix. Now, let me have row and column operations now. See, when I have the column operation, because what I have to do is, I have to make the elements of the first row 0 other than 1. First row elements all should be zeros. So, to have the zeros, let me have the operation C2 as C2 minus C1. See, when you have this 1 is there at C2 column, so 1 minus 1, it becomes 0. Similarly, for the third column, 1 minus 1, 0. Fourth column, 2 minus 2C1. See, these are the elementary operations of column we have done here. That is, C2 is C2 minus C1, C3 is C3 minus C1, C4 is C4 minus 2C1. See, after having these operations, all the elements of the first row are 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now, immediately after this step, let us concentrate on the first column. See, in the first column, we have 1, 2, 3, and we have to make these 2 and 3 as zeros, because except the first element, even in this column, all other elements should be 0. So, to reduce this, R2 is equal to R2 minus 2R1, and R3 is R3 minus 3R1. See, after performing these two operations, that means 2 minus 1 into 2, it is 0, and 2 minus 3 minus 1 into 3 is equal to 0. See, now we got this matrix after reducing the rows. Okay. Then pass on to the next element. See, we got the first element as 1, and in the second row, second element should be 1, but instead of 1 we have here minus 1. So, this minus 1 has to be changed to plus 1. So, multiply, take R2 as minus R2, and similarly R3 also you take minus R3. Just avoid all negative signs. So, after performing these operations, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 10, 0, 6, 2, 4. Just we have removed the negative terms here. Okay. First element should be 1, all other are zeros. Similarly, in the second row, only second element is 1 and all other are zeros. So, to do that, I have taken C3 is equal to C3 minus C2, C4 is equal to C4 minus 10 C1. Because earlier we had here 1 and 10, and now cancelled, and we got it as 0, 1, 0, 0. Next step, after this 1, we should get 0, column wise. See, we operated with the row, then go for column. See, in this column, second element should be 1 and other element should be 0. So, to make the second column element 0, just I have taken it as R3 is equal to R3 minus 6R2. So, after this, you see, this third row, third element should be 1. So, I have taken minus 1 by 4 R3. Minus 1 by 4 R3, and we got it as 0, 0, 1. Now, at last we have 14. So, this 14, let us see, can we able to eliminate or not. Now, you take C4 is equal to C4 minus 14 C3. So, when you C3 with the 14 and subtracting, this 14 will reduce. Now, see, we got the normal form. It is in the form of I3, 0. I3, 0. It is also one of the standard normal form. So, I3 means unit matrix of order 3. This is 3. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is equal to, we find by performing the suitable row and column operations, the rank of the matrix. So let us take some exercise problems. Find the rank of the following matrix by reducing to the normal form. 1, 2, 3 problems I have given. You please work it out and solve them according to the working rule.